Hello to anyone who is watching this video. So I decided to make a quick update regarding the market. Let's check what's going on, if we should short Bitcoin or not, and let's see what will happen next. So today I will start with Bitcoin. It will not be a long analysis. It's just quick update. Bitcoin, USDT dominance. Maybe I will talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, and of course I will go quickly check SP 500. So what's going on right now with Bitcoin? We can see that Bitcoin finally broke above this resistance zone that we had at around $96,000, right? And currently the price is going higher. Don't try to short here. Most probably the price will reach this resistance area, which is at around 103,000, 104,000. Maybe it could even go to $106,000 because we can see that Bitcoin likes to give this kind of fake breakouts with long wicks, before stopping its this main move. So currently, I just draw this payout, but since we have this really strong move, where is that? Then okay. So what should we do here? We can try to short from this area with some high stop loss because um, the price, as I said, it can go a bit higher towards the 108, 107,000 and then a drop. So if you will short from here, I will suggest to take a small risk. For example, if you usually open a position with 2% of your portfolio, then this time open 0.5 and in case DCA a bit higher, but be careful. All right, so this gonna be a huge short area. Let me highlight it with this red box. So between 104,000 and between 109,000 is a resistance zone. And before giving any further breakout towards 123, I believe that Bitcoin will consolidate a bit at around between 99,000 and $103,000. If it will give a long consolidation and it will hold this resistance area. By the way, 99,000, 100,000 are also resistance zones, but I believe that this time the price will break through this 99,000, 100,000 resistance zones and will go towards the 103, 104,000 levels. Why do I think so? We can see here that RSI is breaking through the 70, and if I go on some other bigger time frames, I can see this picture on 3D time frames that RSI is leading its way towards the 70, and whenever it was like looking upwards, it was trying to reach the 70 level. So until the 70 level is not reached, we cannot say that Bitcoin is topped. Now let's go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame has this picture. We can see that coin could hold above this weekly FG. If you remember from my last trade idea, I wanted to see Bitcoin to come and retest this FG area and then give this pump. But market makers decided to not let people buy lower and they just sent the price higher. And also on the weekly time frame, we can see that RSI is looking upwards. And I'm expecting it to come towards to the 70 level and then find its local top. After that, any correction from this red box area towards to 100 or 98,000, even 97, 500, I would say will be fine because this will not break the bullish structure. Also, we can see that here we have this kind of support line. This line comes from, okay, I thought it was from this Fibonacci, but no, I put it. So any retest of this support zone can still lead the price higher. But of course, as I wrote recently on Twitter, if the price will give a close below 99,000 and will show weakness, if the price on weekly time frame will lose this 0618 zone, then most probably it will come to a test this FVG on weekly, or worst case, it will go lower, right? But it's a different scenario. Let's focus right now on what should we do in the near future, today, tomorrow, or during the weekend. Not suggesting to short right now. I think even during the weekend, the price will show its strength. Even if there will be some corrections, probably it will be like 3-4% of the move, not significant, like not 10%. I don't see it right now. So yeah, shorts right now are not in priority. Okay, so be careful while shorting the strength. Then Ethereum, I was writing about Ethereum in Discord. If you're not in Discord yet, you can join. Link to the Discord community will be under this video in the comment section. And right now, Ethereum finally is showing strength. I believe that it will give us a daily close above this daily FVG, and upcoming days we will see Ethereum at around this resistance zone at around $2,300, $2,400. But does it mean that you should look for shorts? No. I'm expecting a price to pump at least, I don't know, 20-25%, no shorting. Okay, follow the trend. And right now we can see this crazy green candle, the same as it was when the market was going down. We saw this strong bearish trend, and of course, bearish setups they were in priority, right? Right now we have the opposite situation. I will look for shorts once price reach this area. But even though even price comes here, I will double check. I will think if it's worth it or not, because if we look to weekly time frame looks pretty well, and if it will not show weakness on daily, 3D, weekly at around this resistance zone, then most probably the price will continue going higher towards this area, which comes to $2,900, $3,100. All right, and of course, all this move will let altcoins to go crazy. USDT dominance. Technical analysis of USD dominance was also shared in Discord. USD dominance really helps to understand either uh, the crypto market, gonna be bullish or bearish. So USD dominance followed my trade idea. It rejected from this resistance zone. As a result, it dropped towards the 0.75 support zone on Fibonacci. Then it again rejected from 0.5 resistance area or 4-hour FVG, and you can see that this level 5.12, which was standing as a support, became a resistance, and that's why we also see this beautiful bearish reaction and such crazy drop. Currently, USD dominance is about to face a strong support area. So we have these Fibonacci levels, but I also have these two zones. So either USD dominance will start already showing its support at these two levels, or maybe it can go a bit lower and then give a bounce. So please watch these areas. It's very important. Once you will see a strong support, a reversal, it will be a sign to cash out or close your longs and either take short positions or wait what will happen later. Because if the bullish trend is strong, we will see a breakdown from the support zone, which will be a resistance zone in the future. So I drew this kind of idea. So what do we see? We maybe we will see this breakout, then retest of this two levels, which should stand at resistance, and then more drop. All right. In this case, we will see something similar to the situations that we had in November, December. And of course, this will let altcoins to go insanely crazy. And then I will be very careful once US dominance comes to 4.16 or to this support area, global support area, which stands at around 3.76, 3.6. Which means that once US dominance comes to this area, it might chop as well before giving any significant moves. So be careful, don't be chopped out, and watch these levels. Now let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. We can see that how it is respecting the 65.07 level. I was waiting for this so long, and honestly, I don't believe that it finally came to this level. What do we have right now? Well, as I said in previous videos and many times, as long as Bitcoin dominance is holding about 20-26 EMS on daily time frame and 50 EMA, it will remain bullish. That means that the chances that it will continue going higher towards the 69, 70 levels will be very um, high. And of course, even if we will see now a drop towards to 50 EMA, let's say it will be equal to 1.7, 1.8%. Trust me, the small drop on Bitcoin dominance, while Bitcoin will be in range or remain strong, this will trigger altcoins to pump a lot. So if you didn't buy a spot, then it's still not late. You can still do it. You can go and watch these two videos that I shared 9 days ago. It has very few views, but trust me, it has a lot of values. And I talked about, I think, 20 altcoins with proper setup, with all take profits. So please go and watch. Maybe you'll find an altcoin that you are interested about, and these videos will be very helpful for you to understand when it will be better to take profits. So let's go back to Bitcoin dominance. Um, the crazy alt season that most people are waiting for gonna be only if Bitcoin dominance will break below this 50 EMA and will give a drop at least until this 200 EMA support zone, right? And like something it did during this period of time. If it will do something like that, then altcoins will pump maybe 200% or maybe even more. But overall, the prediction for altcoins right now is very, very positive. Now let's quickly check SP 500. What is going on with SP 500? So SP 500, it did reject from this 5,690 resistance zone, but it could find a support at this daily FVG or this 50 EMA, and we can see right now a breakout. I think that the price will manage to break even through this resistance zones. According to RSI, I'm expecting the price to come to this bearish order block on the daily time frame, where it has also daily FVG. And according to weekly time frame, if we will see a proper close above 0.75 or 5,820, and the index will manage to hold above this level for a long period of time, I mean, we will see a breakout, right, then consolidation. It will bring another breakout towards this next resistance zone or 1.41 Fibonacci level, right? So this is the forecast for the market near future. Right now, everything looks very bullish. I suggest you to bet on bullish setups rather than trying to short the low time frame resistance zones. And if you want to short, then only short from really strong high time frame resistance levels. So this is all from my side for now. If you like this video, I would be happy to see your likes, comments, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe because there will be a lot of content coming soon. And I will start the challenge account with crypto funding trades prop firm. Now we're trading on Bybit account. It's amazing opportunity. I will show you everything, and I will give you million reasons why you should do the same, especially if you don't have big capital. This opportunity can be a game changer for your uh, trading journey. So thank you for watching, and I will see you either in Discord or in Twitter or in comments. Bye bye.